Hello all, welcome to my channel Pharma Dive. This channel is purely for educational purposes and aims to provide valuable information. So if you are ready to dive into the world of pharma, hit the subscribe button and join the journey. Let's explore, learn and gain together. Today's topic is line clearance in pharmaceutical industry. Line clearance is a documented process used in pharmaceutical manufacturing to ensure that equipment, production lines, and work areas are free from materials, documents, or products from previous batches before starting a new operation. It is a critical GMP requirement to prevent product mix ups, cross contamination, and batch errors. Line clearance is performed to ensure that the production area is clean, ready and free from previous batch materials before starting a new batch. It helps prevent mix-up between products or batches, avoid cross-contamination and ensures the correct product and batch are processed. This process maintains product quality, protects patient safety and ensures compliance with GMP regulatory requirements. The three C's of line clearance in pharmaceutical industry are clearing, cleaning and checking. Clearing is the first step where all materials, labels, documents and remnants of the previous product or batch are completely removed from the production or packing line to prevent mix-ups. Next step is cleaning, in which all equipment, machines and components are properly cleaned after clearing to ensure no residues, dust or contaminants remain on the line. Cleaning is generally categorized into three types: Type A, Type B and Type C. Checking is the final step where the area supervisor inspects the line for any deficiencies and production officer verifies the area, equipments, documents and product details to confirm the line is ready for the next operation. During line clearance, production and QA personnel ensure that the manufacturing area and equipment are properly cleaned and free from any residue, materials or documents from the previous batch or product. The process begins by stopping the previous operation and removing all leftover materials, labels, cartons and documents of the previous batch from the line. After this, the equipment and surrounding are thoroughly cleaned and inspections are carried out for equipment, containers, floors and status labels to confirm cleanliness and readiness. Environmental conditions such as temperature, relative humidity and pressure differentials are also verified to ensure they are within specified limits. Finally, the line clearance checklist is completed and approved by both production and QA department before starting the next operation. Line clearance is not complete until both production officer and QA officer sign off, stating the line is ready for the new batch, ensuring compliance with strict GMP standards. A typical line clearance checklist include verification of area clearance, equipment status, documentation, environmental conditions, material control, personnel readiness, and QA approval. The area is checked to ensure all previous product residues, materials, documents, and waste are removed and the area is visually clean. Equipments, for example, tablet press or filling machines, are verified for proper cleaning, maintenance, and clean status labeling. The checklist also confirms that the correct BMR and BPR are available and previous entries are completed. Environmental conditions like temperature, relative humidity, and differential pressure are checked within specified limits. Only materials required for the new batch should be present, while packaging material like labels and cartons must be reconciled. Personal gowning and coding systems, label printers, and date coders are also verified and updated for the new batch, followed by final QA verification and approval. Let's see role of departments. The production department is responsible for cleaning equipments and production area, removing previous batch materials and preparing the line for the next operation. The Quality Assurance Department verifies the line clearance process, reviews and approves the checklist, and ensures all activities comply with GMP requirements before production begins. Line clearance is important because it prevents cross-contamination, avoids product mix-ups, assures cleaning of the area and equipment, ensures regulatory compliance, maintains product quality, and protects patient safety. Regulatory guidelines. Line clearance is required under World Health Organization GMP guidelines, US Food and Drug Administration guidelines, European Medicine Agency guidelines, Pharmaceutical Inspection Cooperation Scheme. These guidelines ensure proper documentation, cleaning and verification. Consequences of poor line clearance. Improper line clearance can lead to product contamination, cross-mixing or mix-up between batches, affecting product quality and safety. It may result in batch rejection, product recalls and regulatory warning letters, while also creating serious risk to patient safety. Line clearance is a critical GMP requirement in pharmaceutical manufacturing that ensures a clean, safe, and contamination free production environment before starting a new batch. Proper implementation of line clearance helps maintain product quality, improves operational efficiency, and ensures regulatory compliance and protect patient safety. Thank you all for your time and attention. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you like this presentation, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Pharma Dive.